So now we are doing question number 4th of exercise 11.2 class 10th constructions. The question is, draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. That is, tangents are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So I have drawn a rough sketch here. See, these are the two tangents. The angle between the tangents is 60 degree, and if this is the center of the circle O and A and B are the point of contacts, and we know that the tangent makes an angle of 90 degree with the radius. That is, angle between tangent and radius is 90 degree. So if we can see this quadrilateral, we are getting a quadrilateral PAOB. Now we all know that angle sum property of a quadrilateral, that is, sum of 4 angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. That is, we have angle P plus angle A plus angle B plus angle AOB, that should be equal to 360 degree. So from here 3 angles are given. Let us find the 4th angle, that is AOB, which is needed in our construction. So this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. This AOB we have to find, and this is equal to 360 degree. So let us see once again. It is given that the angle between the tangent is 60 degree. Therefore, we are taking P to be 60 degree. And we know that this angle between a tangent and a radius is 90 degree. So angle A and B are 90 degree each. So when we will solve it, this is 150 plus 90. This is 240 plus AOB. That is, it will be equal to 360 degree. So AOB will come out to be 360 minus 240. So angle AOB will be 120 degree. So this central angle AOB comes out to be 120 degree. So let us see how we will be doing now this construction. So this angle is 120 degree. Right, this angle AOB is 120 degree. So first of all, let us see, the circle is of radius 5 cm. So let us draw a circle of radius 5 cm. So it will be like this. We will take a scale and we will open it. So it is 5 cm. So let us draw a circle of radius 5 cm like this. So this is a circle of radius 5 cm. So now what we will be doing first, let us draw one radius. Two radius are there, OA and OB. So I am drawing, you can draw any radius. So I am drawing radius OB. So this is radius OB. This is center O. This is B. So this radius I have drawn. Now this angle AOB is 120 degrees. So at OA, I will make an angle of 120 degrees. See how? So this is your center. So let us see how to draw angle of 120 degrees. So this we can draw like this. So this will be 60 degree. This will be 120 degree. So in this way we can draw an angle of 120 degree here. Now we will join this and this will become angle of 120 degree like this. So what we have done till here, we have drawn angle 120 degree. We have drawn angle 120 degree AOB. Now these angles are 90 degree each. That is, angle at B and angle at A, we have to construct 90 degree. So what we will be doing, so let us draw angle of 90 degree here. So for 90 degree, you have to do it like this. Then this is 60 degree. This is 120 degree. Let us do it little bit like this. So it will be from 60 and 90, we can draw angle of 60 and 120 degree. We can draw angle of 90 degrees. So this will be an angle of 90 degree at B. Similarly, let us draw angle of 90 degree at A. So it will be like this. Keep your compass here at A and then like this. Draw a semicircle and this will be 60 degree. Then from here it will be 120 degree. And if it is drawn like this from here, so, and when we will join A with this point, we will get an angle of 90 degree at A also, like this. See, let us join this point and we will get angle of 90 degree here. So, this point, the point where the two lines, two rays of 90 degree are meeting, that point will be our P point, and when we will compare it, this is 120 degree, this is 90, this is 90, so this will come out to be 60 degree. So this is our required construction. Thank you very much.